Hello! Here's a quick tip for achieving balance in your surface pattern designs. If you find you've got one motif that is a lot larger than all the others and it's dominating and making things look unbalanced, you've got two options. You could try reducing the size so it's more similar to your other motifs. Sometimes that works depending on what software you're using and whether it can do things like scaling brush thickness at the same time. But oftentimes you'll just end up with a motif that looks obviously shrunken and it doesn't look like it belongs with the other motifs anymore. What you can try instead is to add another instance of that motif, either flipped round or at a different angle. When our eyes and brain see two slightly different versions of the same motif in the pattern, we perceive it as more balanced and the two large motifs will seem to blend into the pattern better than one single one. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for tips like this every Wednesday.